Hi everyone watching this video. I have been printing this model for 48 hours, and so far it is the longest I have ever printed. Let me show you the whole printing process in more detail. I didn't risk printing such a model without support, which may be why the print time was so long. This is the kind of flower pot I originally had. I needed to turn it around and add support to keep the nose and chin from falling off. And now the magic of the printing process. It's always an interesting sight as the 3D printer prints layer by layer. I made several angles for this video. Somewhere I will show time lapses, somewhere just detailed printing. My printer starts creating the woman's head layer by layer using carefully selected material. I watch as each layer melts and slowly builds up, shaping the contours and details of the head. The printing continues, and I can't take my eyes off the process. It's amazing to see the image on my screen transform into a real object right before my eyes. With each movement of the printer, I see creative potential and possibilities for bringing the boldest ideas to life. As time goes on, the woman's head begins to take on more pronounced forms. Every contour and detail become more expressive, giving the head character and personality. Eventually, after many hours of work, the finished product emerges from the printer. An amazing woman's head, with closed eyes, ready to become an unusual flower pot. The process finishes. We have got the ready woman's head, which will serve as an unusual and stylish flower pot. As you can see, the model has some leftover plastic pieces that served as supports during the printing process, particularly around the nose and chin areas. Using my hands, I delicately peel away these support structures, taking care not to damage the print itself. It's a hands-on process that requires patience and precision. With each careful movement, you'll see the model gradually transform, becoming smoother and more refined. Once I've removed all the excess plastic, I take a moment to inspect the model from every angle, ensuring that it's clean and ready for display. And there you have it. With the cleaning process complete, our 3D print is now ready to take its place as a unique and eye-catching piece of decor. Stay tuned for more exciting projects, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching.